Hi friends, I'm Dr. Vrinda Kumar and today's video is very interesting and it's about how to a method to regain your smell. So a lot of times we lose our sense of smell, especially after a viral infection, especially after COVID. A lot of us went through that. Sometimes if you have chronic rhinosinusitis, sinus issues, then you can lose your sense of smell. Sometimes with facial trauma, facial injury, sense of smell is lost. Sometimes with sinus surgery or head surgery, the sense of smell is lost. And sense of smell is really important for like deriving joy from our life. We love to smell nice things. And even eating, if you're eating something and you can't smell it, then you don't enjoy it as much. And not just for the joy, but also for safety, for personal safety, it's very important. You need to smell gas if there's a leak, you need to smell harmful chemicals and stay away from them. So it's important not just to enjoy your life fully, but also to for personal safety. So, what can you do if you've lost your smell? And this is a very easy technique. It's natural, it doesn't involve any medications. And I please give it a try and tell me how you feel after it. Okay. So this is called smell retraining, and this is done with training your brain to smell familiar objects that you are aware of, that like you know what they smell like, and you smell it again and again. And over a period of time, at least a couple of months, this requires commitment, you find that this you start regaining smells for familiar objects, and then with time you will start regaining your sense of smell for everything. Okay, so how do you do it? Firstly, go to a dark and quiet room so that you can focus on your smell. That's going to be the main sense organ that you're going to focus on. So, decrease other sensory inputs like light and sound. Okay, I have this. This is an example. This is Neil Med Smell Restore Kit. You can use this is not a promotional video, I'm not getting any benefit from them. You can use this, or you can use your own homemade, like you can make these smells at home using essential oils. And Or there might be other brands on Amazon and Walmart that offer smell training kits. Okay, so this kit in particular has four smells, and they have rose, they have lemon, they have clove oil, and they have eucalyptus. And these are all very familiar smells that we encounter on a day to day basis. So, what you do is like maybe 2 or 3 times a day, take each of these. The order is not important, just know what you're taking. So, I'm taking clove oil, and then put it in your nostril and take four breaths at a time from each nostril, and then you can replace it. And then start with the other one. Like you can go in any order. I'm going to go with the lemon next, and lemon oil. So, okay, I'm not able to open it. Okay, so the thing with it is consistency is key. You need to do it every day, at least 2 to 3 times a day, because you're retraining your brain to recognize these smells. And over time, like over 60 to 90 days, you'll start to notice some benefit. This particular product says that you should replace these products in 90 days, in 60 days, because I think they lose their smell with repeated use. But if you find that it's losing the smell, then it's a good idea to change it sooner, because you really want the smell to be like effective and strong. The other thing that you can do is to quit smoking. If you were smoking, it has more benefits than just regaining your smell alone. And the smoke can cause damage to your olfactory nerve, which is the nerve responsible for taking the smell stimuli to your brain and to recognize the smell. Some I mean, this is really a natural therapy. You can do it with oil, so there are not really that many adverse effects or like bad reactions. But if you, I mean, if you're prone to having nosebleeds, sometimes people can have nosebleeds because of it, because it can increase the blood circulation to your nose. It might cause you. There might be allergies. So you might have runny nose or itchy eyes that can be triggered by the smell, or some people also report some burning sensation in their nose, because especially initially when they can't smell, but they just feel the oil and So that's some of the adverse effects. But I think it's a very helpful technique if you've lost your smell. The key is to start early. So if they've done multiple studies on it, on olfactory retraining, that's what it's called. And if you start early, so within 12 months of smell loss, then the benefit and the relief you get is significantly higher than if you let go a lot of time before starting your smell retraining. Give it a try and tell me how it goes. And looking forward to hear from you. Bye.